lower the anchor about a foot. Okay. Use the boat pole to twist the anchor around. See if we can pull the anchor up upside down and maybe pop that jammed swivel loose. Well, if you can't reach it, then pull the anchor up a foot or so. I'm sorry. We're trying a different experiment. Okay, use the boat pole, see if you can slide it around. Okay, now try to pull it up with the windlass, I'm sorry. Keep on going, see if it'll work.
Did it straighten?
It's straight now.
Oh, good, okay. Okay, drop it. Now turn the anchor around right side up. Yeah, and grip. Okay, see if you can pull it up and hold it that way, and it'll straighten out by itself. Okay, drop it just about a foot and then up real quick. Okay, back up, back up.
You have to tighten that?
All right, you have to tighten up the clutch on top of the windlass. Okay. All right.
Try it, Lori.
Okay, lower it just about a foot. Now back up. Beautiful. And bounce. Okay, that's fine. Okay, good. The anchor has landed.